Hello children, hope you all are well and enjoying e-learning. By now we know what are parts of speech, what are nouns and some of its types. Now today in this video we will learn about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one and plural means many or more than one. To change a singular noun into plural, there are few rules that we need to keep in mind. We will learn about few rules now, and after the explanation of each rule, a task will appear on your screen. Based on the rule that is explained to you, you will copy those tasks in your language notebook, and following the rules, you will be writing the answers. Rule number 1. By adding s, we can change most singular nouns into plural, like desk, desks, book, books, pen, pens, shop, shops, chair, chairs, month, months, train, trains, name, names, friend, friends, teacher, teachers. Now you will find the task based on the rule that is explained. You will copy them in your notebook and write the answers on your own. Next is rule number 2. When singular nouns ending in ch, sh, s, double s, x or z, we add es to make it plural. For example, church is ending with ch, we are adding es after the word church. Word dish ending in sh, we are adding es to make it plural. The word bus ending in s, we are adding es to make it plural. Similarly, look at the words that are ending with double s, x or z. We are adding e in order to make it plural. Now the task that you see on your screen is based on rule number 2. Copy them down in your English language notebook and write down the answers. Rule number 3. When the letter before a y is a consonant, we have to change the y to an I before adding an es. That means when a word ends with y and there is a consonant before the y, we will change the y into I and then add es. As you can see children, the words city, pony, reply, berry, family, lady, in all the words there are consonants before y. So we are changing the y into I first and then we are adding es in order to change the singular into plural noun. Next is the task based on rule number 3. In rule 3 we have seen that if there is a consonant before y, then we are changing the y into I and then adding es to change it into plural form. Now rule number 4 says that if there is a vowel before y, then we will simply add s to change the singular nouns into plural. In the words day, play, delay, we see there is vowel a before y. The word key, vowel e is placed before y. In the word boy, o is placed before y. In the word guy, we can see u is placed before y. So according to rule number 4, words in which there are vowels before Y, we can add S to change those words, those nouns from singular to plural. Now write down the tasks based on rule number 4, where there are vowels before Y. So you just need to add S to change these singular nouns into plural nouns. Rule number 5 says, when nouns, singular nouns, ends in F or FE, then we change the F or FE to V, and then we add ES. Leave, following the rule, the F is changing into V, and then we are adding ES to change it to plural. Same rule applies on the words half, then hoof and thief. Now the words like wife, life are ending in FE, and we will follow the same rule, that is changing or replacing FE with V and adding ES. At the same time, we will keep in mind that there are exceptions. Words like cliff, chief, roof, dwarf, handkerchiefs, these words do not take VES when we are changing them into plural. Now the tasks that you see is based on rule number 5. Jot it down in your language notebook and write down the answers. Rule number 6. When a noun ends in O and comes after a consonant, that is, there is a consonant before O, then we add ES in order to make it plural. Cargo, echo, volcano, mango, hero, torpedo, these all words take ES in order to change it to their plural form. There we find exception once again. The word piano, banjo, solo, radio, Eskimo. In all these words you can find a consonant, but they do not take ES. Now the task is there for you. Write it down in your notebook and write the answers. Rule number 7. Sometimes we find words that change completely when they are changed into their plural forms. Like child, children. When there is one person, we call person, but when there are many, we call them people. Similarly, man, men, goose, geese, woman, women. These are also called irregular plural forms. There are 3 singular nouns given. You will change them into plural. Like TOOTH, tooth will change into teeth, foot will change into feet, and mouse will change into mice. Rule number 8 says there are nouns that do not change their forms even when they are changed into plural. Now tuna is tuna, deer we'll call it deer, sheep we call it sheep. They do not change their form when they turn into their plurals. The task that you see now is based on rule number 8, in which the singular and the plural, both the forms remain same. Now the exercises that are there in your Grammar Magic book, whatever exercises that you will find in singular and plural chapter, please, following this rule, write the answers in your Grammar Magic book. So that's all about singular and plural forms of noun. Remember, children, you have to learn these rules again and again, because relearning will help you remember the rules. And if you don't learn, you will not be able to remember them. I hope you have understood how to change the singular nouns into plural forms. Even if you forget, just go through the video once again. Learn them so that you never forget. That's all for today. Take care and happy e-learning.